Hello, friends. Please consider supporting the Flavors and Knowledge podcast. Donated proceeds are applied to absorb the cost of cooking classes and health education for children. Help a child affected with diabetes with a sponsorship donation toward adequately managing the condition through Food First. Chef Walter's Children Diabetes Foundation brings this message. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Chef Walter. Just about everyone has written about the myth of white chocolate. And of course, I will add my own opinion. And from cookies, ice cream, cakes, and all imaginable, chocolate plays a significant role in cooking. But in white chocolate, the story is slightly different. It is sold as a chocolate, but technically it is not. The main ingredients are sugar, milk products, cocoa butter, vanilla flavoring, and lecithin, which is a fatty substance acting as an emulsifier and keeps the product all together. If you read the ingredient list on your next chocolate bar, you will not find the word chocolate liqueur extracted from the fermented, dried, roasted, and ground cocoa beans. But don't be intimidated by the word liqueur. There is no alcohol in the bar, but a word used to define the procedure which is used in separating the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids. Cocoa butter is a fat extracted from the beans, while cocoa powder is the stuff in the can that you see at your local supermarket. White chocolate contains very little caffeine, and the cocoa butter, which is the main component, keeps white chocolate at room temperature without a problem, and of course melts in your palate very fast. Cocoa butter is known for preventing possible rancidity and can be stored for up to 3 years, but please don't wait that long to consume a nice bar of chocolate. If you think that the Swiss company Nestle developed white chocolate in the 1930s, and of course it changed the world as we see it. And so, dear friends, white chocolate is not chocolate in technicality, as it is intended by the FDA, which controls and regulates all of our food. But if the bar makes you happy, just go for it and discard this message. Thanks for listening to this brief podcast. We reconnect with you on the next round with another exciting and informative topic. Stay well and be safe. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.